we are making squishy ball, and it's a science kit. First, I'm going to get the PVA glue solution.
Okay, I got you.
If you need a grown-up to help you with scissors, you can.
Have you said hello to YouTube?
Hello, YouTube. Let's get this party beeping. Okay, so we're gonna pour it all into the bowl. Next, we are going to use red coloring. You're gonna have to do 5 drops, okay? And ask a grown-up if you need help opening the top.
Keep it over there. Let's go. You got keys for you. Keys for 1. Yes, we did 5.
5. Woo, we did 5. Next, stir.
Keep stirring.
Okay. Next, we are going to take our plastic beads. If you need help opening the plastic container, you can, but if you don't, you're gonna go ahead and open it. You're gonna pour it in here. You can save some, and or you could pour it all. I'm gonna save some. Do whatever you want with yours. Okay. Next, we stir again. Okay. After we stir, we're going to put some blue glitter in. The dry end, or it's up to your parents. Use the dry end of this part, or you can get another stick. So I'm gonna get another stick and scoop it up in there. Okay, you can save some if you need to. Okay, you can still use this because you only did it for the glitter. Okay, next, you're going to stir it. Okay, after you stir it, you're going to put some of the activator in. So the activator, you're going to open it. It's going to mix in with the stuff we already have, and it's going to be slimy. And we're going to get to stirring. Woo! You gotta stir it all around. Okay, looks like we're done. Just stir a little more. And now let's stop. Ooh, doesn't look fun. So if you want, you can ask an adult to put on the balloon onto this funnel. Okay. In case you want to touch it, you can put on these gloves. I think all parents have them. Most times. And what we're gonna do? We're going to.
With this?
We're going to take slime.
Actually, gonna pour it. We're gonna try to pour it.
We're gonna try to pour it in.
There you go.
Oh, this was a struggle, but we made it, right, Poppy?
Yay!
That doesn't sound like you.
Yay! Woo!
Yay! Woo! Yay! Woo! I think we're gonna have to wash this off in the shower. Hey, I'm back. So, we finished this. Now I'm squishing it. It feels so good. If you want to do this, just subscribe and look on my channel. Okay, by the way, it's at Target. I don't know any other place it is at, but I found it at Target. In the play area stuff. And this is so much fun. Look at this. Boo. Look. Boo. Look, watch this. Boo. Looks so cool, right? Yeah. And now we're gonna make a purple one. Woo! And it's gonna be a little more easier than this one since we this was our test run. So now we're gonna know. So I'm gonna give this to him. So first we're gonna get this again. Make sure adult cut this. Make sure only adults use these big scissors. Make sure. Okay, next you're gonna safely pour it in. Okay, give it to the adult. Next, you're gonna get 3 drops of red if you want to make purple. 1, 2, 3. And next, you're gonna get 3 drops of blue. 1. Oh, it's you.
Let's say this. 3. 2.
Now we're gonna get our handy dandy stick. We're gonna mix it up. We're gonna mix it. We're mix it up. Now we're gonna get a little more red because I squeezed a little too much blue. You're gonna get. Okay, that might be good. You are going to mix it up. We're gonna mix it up, mix it up, mix it up. Next, we're gonna add some glitter. I'm gonna use all the glitters now. Ooh, glitter. I'm gonna put some of the glitter. Ooh. There's never too much glitter, right, Papa?
Mm.
So, today's April Fool's. I forgot to tell you guys at the beginning. April Fool's. And next, I'm going to do the blue one. Who knows?
Save some for the third.
And I'm going to save some for my third one. You guys can save some for your third one too. If you don't, c'est la vie. And now we're going to mix it up. We're going to mix and we're going to mix it up. Mix, 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 mix. Next, we're going to get, do you guys remember the stuff to make it gooey?
What's it called?
It is called,
Act.
you guys are ready? Let's pour it in.
In the middle.
Ooh, it is purple. It is
All right,
purple.
mix it up.
Next, we're going to take our handy dandy stick and mix, mix, mix. We're gonna mix it up. We're gonna mix it. Ooh, look. It's purple. We're gonna keep mixing. We're gonna keep mixing. Let's see how it goes. To keep mixing. Look at this. You see that? Looks so fun to play with.
We're gonna do this again. We'll do it together, okay? Okay, do this together. Let's do it one at a time.
Oh, it's gonna happening. What's happening? I'm moving to there, and if we drop it in there, who knows what's gonna happen? It's going through. Look. Everybody look. Ooh, it's black.
This is what we're doing now. We're going there now.
Yay. Ooh, it's going down. It's going down. It's going down. I'm gonna want to play my ugly.
Show the people.
See? Ooh, look at the glitter. Ooh, so cool. Ooh, it's a balloon too.
Ooh, yay, I got two of it. One and two. Ooh, slime everywhere. Ooh. Guys, make sure you guys have an apron on in case.
We want to get a lighter purple. I think that should be blue. It kind of looks a little like blue. Okay, it's 7:08. Let's get this done. Okay. Okay, it made it a darker. Yeah. Made it a little more darker, but look on the bright side. Next, we're going to put all of our blue and our silver glitter in. Okay, so
And now there's still a little more.
okay. Now let's mix it. Next, I have my last activator. Woo! This is my last squishy.
Right over the middle.
Over the middle. Ooh. Your hands
You got
look,
it?
yes. Your hands look like you have pink polish on. Ooh. Now it's time to mix it up. Look at this. Mix it up. Yes, we are ready. Okay, it's our final and last one.
And Papa, you can do this. He can do this. Wait, I didn't tell them about this one. So,
You see this? This is what it looks like. It looks so cool. Oh, look at this. It's like a big balloon. Okay. Looks so squishy. And it's so funny. Tied it. Okay, so first, look at this. It looks so cool. Now, let me show you. So, this one, we put only red and it made pink with some glitter in it. This one we put red and blue. We put a little too much blue, and then we put some more red and made this color. And then we just did this one. We just put it blue and red, and then we put it all our glitter in there to make this. Ooh.
All right, where you going? Are you saying bye to them? You can't just walk off. Are you finished?
Bye.
That's how you sign off?
Make sure to subscribe on my channel.
First of all, you don't have a channel. Secondly, what's the word? Subscribe?
Make sure you subscribe.
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 I'm saying it
No, you
right.
said subscribe. Say it again.
Subscribe.
Subscribe.
Subscribe on my channel. Woo!
What's the name of your channel?
The name of my channel is Squishfield. I also do artwork.